What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Drop Lows here, and today we got a new little video for you. I want y'all to meet Walker, Ford Ranger. We about to take our first road trip in the Ranger today in order to go pick up the title. And one of the new things we also got for the channel is a GoPro. As you can see, I'm sort of trying to figure this thing out, get used to it. I've already tinted the windows. I couldn't do that fishbowl. Did it with a credit card. I heard so many people talk about it, so I had to try it just to really see how it is. And they look like trash. Y'all see this? All that? Y'all be talking about y'all aunts and uncles doing with credit. Yeah, right. So that crap is coming off of here eventually. But we gonna hop in. We gonna keep playing around with this GoPro, and we gonna hit the highway. It's about 2 hours away. I'm gonna go get the title, and yeah, about a 4-hour round trip. Y'all pray for me. Here go the intro, and
I know it's storming right now, but we gon' see some better days. Back in the booth, and that's the only way I can meditate. Off the beans and lean, but thought process is hella straight. Went through some shit, had to peep, play, and reevaluate. Past couple days, niggas been pushing me like hell. Got they ass beat mad, cause we ain't in the cell. Fuck, Lord, I need you, cause later call on dudes need help. Fighting with myself, still putting shit to rest.
alright y'all, we've been rolling for a minute. I don't exactly know how this view is gonna show. Like, really, I don't. What you can see or anything like that, what's all around me. Yeah, this is my first time using a head mount, the little thongy thong shit. So, yeah, I guess y'all could just follow me here for a sec. It's been smooth the whole way, and the air works. Like, I'm comfortable. As you see, the windows are up, the air works in here. All the gauges look well, and we just gonna keep it on moving. So stay tuned. I'm gonna figure out eventually, I guess I'm gonna try one of the little time-lapse features and see how that rolls as far as riding down the road. Alright, I think I got it on the super view now. We're just gonna shoot this part right here in like a time lapse. Y'all stay with me and enjoy the GoPro footage. Shops over here. What? Well, that's new. Rooms to go. When did that get there? Got a good old outdoor world. It ain't Bass Pro Shops. Rooms to go for kids. Okay. Y'all think we gonna get the Corvette? I'm joking. I ain't even gonna be able to get up there till in time. I got to get over. But pretty soon here, we should be able to see Charlotte. So, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I see some buildings or something interesting. I can tell you one thing. I don't know if I'm at an angle to where y'all can see over this median yet. But that traffic over there, golly. And this traffic that's coming up right here. Golly, don't do this to me today. I just want to get down here, go get this title, and hit the road back. So I need for all of that over there to go ahead and clear up by the time I'm on the way back, which probably ain't gonna happen. And I'm about to enjoy leg day workout, because just say this is, oh well, of course you know, 5-speed. Sheesh. Oh, man, I can't really turn my head and drive, but I seen some Charlotte buildings or whatever. I seen the skyline over that way. So yeah, I don't think I'm in the viewpoint for the skyline with this video, guys. But this forward. Keep it rolling. Who knows what we might see? It may be something down here, or it could be coming around to it. I'll cut y'all back on if anything interesting. Well, as much as I didn't want to hit traffic, I hit traffic. Good old leg workout. Oh, Snap-on truck. Snap-on racing. But I am near my exit, so I guess that's good. I'll cut y'all back on when I get out of this mess. Alright, y'all. I got y'all in one of my new mount spots right there. But man, let me tell y'all, I thought I was coming to Charlotte. I am out here in the freaking Boonhickeys. Like, this was the deep backside, somewhere on the other side of Belmont. Like, my truck did good. We got our title, signed and notarized and everything. And we on the way back to Winston. So y'all stay tuned. Actually, I don't really think it's gonna be much more to stay tuned to. I'm really just testing out some different mount positions with this GoPro, and or this will be the first little vlog with it. Shooting, I'll play as far as with the edits and see how things are going, see if I got, you know, the right angles. And yeah, this little town is alright, but they got one major main street and everything else. When you go into a neighborhood, it is literally a jigsaw puzzle. Like, all the fucking neighborhood streets are barely freaking 6 feet wide, and the driveways are even smaller. Like, I don't know what they did right here. It was supposed to be some mini town build or something. So yeah, we getting on up out of here, keeping the truck.
The roundabout. Take the second
We on
exit.
the road back home and just cruising. Hopefully the wind noise ain't too bad. I do realize I got the window down, but as I say, this is all test to figure out how this camera works. So, yep, cut y'all back on. I'm about to find some food somewhere. All right, y'all, we reached the final stretch. Forsyth County, we back. Man, that was an anxious trip, man. It's always, you know, sort of sketch the first time you take a drive in a new vehicle. That was about, as I say, close to 2 hours away, 2 hours back, so about a 4-hour little round trip. And I feel comfortable now. Walker Ford Ranger, I'm feeling pretty comfortable now. I got no lights on my dash. I've been cruising the whole way. I am cold because this AC is kicking. Now, one of the only problems I got is I am hungry. So let me find some food and I'm gonna shoot an outro somewhere. All right, y'all, this week gonna wrap it up. About to grab some tacos. And yeah, Ranger did good. Got me there and everything, got back. Nothing out of the ordinary, nothing too crazy to complain about. It's just too quiet for my taste and I need a radio. So yeah, we gonna get that in there eventually. I'll shoot another video on it. Thank y'all for staying tuned, support the channel, and I'm about to get me a birria torta and talk with y'all later.